Chapter 4. One and many, singular and plural nouns. A. Look at the pictures and read the following sentences carefully. This is a boy. These are boys. This is a cow. These are cows. This is a building. These are buildings. This is a book. These are books. In the sentences given above, there are nouns which mean one person, place, animal or thing. The noun meaning one is called singular. Then there are nouns which mean more than one or many persons, places, animals or things. The nouns meaning more than one or many are called plural. Some more nouns meaning one and more than one or many. Singular, pictures. Plural, pictures. Girl, girls. Doctor, doctors. Driver, drivers. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Owl, owls. Peacock, peacocks. Pen, pens. Pencil, pencils. House, houses. Hut, huts. Hotel, hotels. Chair, chairs. Table, tables. Bat, bats. Apple, apples. Ant, ants. Frog, frogs. Duck, ducks. Crow, crows. Remember, most nouns take S to form the plural. The examples given above show this. B. Read the singular and plural of the following nouns carefully. Singular, pictures. Plural, pictures. Bus, buses. Ass, asses. Dress, dresses. Glass, glasses. Watch, watches. Church, churches. Dish, dishes. Brush, brushes. Tax, taxes. Fox, foxes. Box, boxes. Remember, nouns ending in S, double S, CH, SH and X take ES to form the plural. The examples given above make it clear. C. Read the singular and plural of the following nouns carefully. Singular, pictures. Plural, pictures. Boy, boys. Toy, toys. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Donkey, donkeys. Ray, rays. Way, ways. Day, days. Valley, valleys. Baby, babies. Army, armies. Fly, fleas. Story, stories. Sky, skies. Lady, ladies. Pony, ponies. Country, countries. City, cities. Cherry, cherries. Butterfly, butterflies. Remember, nouns ending in vowel plus Y take S to form the plural. Nouns ending in consonant plus Y take IES in place of Y to form the plural. The examples given above make it clear. D. Read the singular and plural of the following nouns carefully. Singular, pictures. Plural, pictures. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Hero, heroes. Remember, most nouns ending in O take ES to form the plural. The examples given above make it clear. But singular, pictures. Plural, pictures. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. E. Read the singular and plural of the following nouns carefully. Singular, pictures. Plural, pictures. Knife, knives. Wolf, wolves. Calf, calves. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. Wife, wives. Loaf, loaves. Remember, nouns that end in F or FE generally form their plural by changing the F or FE into VES. F. Read the singular and plural of the following nouns carefully. Singular, pictures. Plural, pictures. Man, men. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Woman, women. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Foot, feet. Postman, postmen. Policeman, policemen. Remember, some nouns change into plural in an irregular way. The examples given above make it clear. G. Singular, pictures. Plural, pictures. One sheep, many sheep. One fish, many fish. One deer, many deer. Uncountable nouns. The nouns which cannot be counted or which can't be turned into plural are known as uncountable nouns. The world consists of matter. Each matter has got its name. We cannot count matter. The material nouns are uncountable nouns. Material nouns consist of solids, liquids and gases. For example, air, cement, coffee, gold, milk, perfume, smoke, steam, stone, tea, water, wood, etc. are uncountable nouns. Chip